Hello, my dear students. Today we are in lecture number 16 of standard 11. And we were studying the vector analysis. My dear students, today we will study method of finding cross product and we will know about the triple product. Okay. So here method of finding cross product. All right. Student, method of finding cross product. Actually, we have studied about the cross product. If we are having the two vectors like this way, the vector A and B as an angle theta, then A cross B, it is AB sine theta with a unit vector n, and we have studied this unit vector n perpendicular to the plane of this vector A and B. Okay, here till here we have studied. My dear student, we have also studied the direction of n will be obtained by the right hand thumb rule. If you will curl putting your forefinger along vector A, that is the first vector, and go towards the second vector, curling towards the second vector, that is vector B, then this thumb will represent the direction of A cross B, that is the result of A cross B. And here the result of A cross B, AB sine theta is the magnitude and n cap is the direction which is represented by this thumb. Alright, so till here we have covered. Today we are going to find the method of finding cross product. For example, my dear student, we are having two vectors like this, A, which is represented by I plus J plus K, alright, and vector B, it is I minus J plus K, and we have to find A cross B. Alright, we have to find this A cross B. What will be the value of A cross B? It was very easy to find the dot product of A and B because only this I were giving the result with the I. But here we are going to find here the cross product. Before knowing the cross product of unit vectors, okay, of the vectors A and B, we should have the concept of cross product of unit vector, that I cross I. What will be the answer? I cross J, etc. Alright, so here first we should know the rectangular component. Rectangular component of unit vector. That is the products, rectangular products of unit vector. Suppose this is a x-axis, the direction I cap, y, j cap, and z, k cap. Okay, my dear student, here I cross I. What will be the answer? Kindly tell me. I cross I. What will be the answer? Of course, you will see it is mod of I into mod of again I and the sine of angle. Since the 2I must be in the same direction, the angle will be 0 degree. It is 0 and nothing take with this n cap because here the value sine 0 will give you the 0. So the I dot I cross I will be 0, and if you will find J cross J, again you will find the result 0 because here again the angle will be 0 degree, and same with the K cross K. Alright, this will be also 0 degree. So this is very important to remember, my dear student. Any vector A, remember this is not the unit vector but the vector A cross A must be equals to how much? It is 0. Why? The two vector having the angle theta is equals to 0. If the vectors are same, then the theta will be 0 degree, and in this case cross product will be 0. But my question here, my dear students, I will write this question again, might be the value change. Okay, or let me write here I minus j plus k, I plus j plus k. All right, we'll do this one later on. Okay, now I cross j. Now I cross j. What will be the answer, my dear students? I cross j. Okay, here in I cross j, remember in last lecture I have given you to find the cross products if the vector a, b and c, then you done very well using right hand rule. Here again you have to apply the same thing. All right, I cross j. So the I cross j, it will be the mod of I, it is 1. Let me write directly the 1 mod of 1 into mod of j, it is again n 1. Sine of angle, what will be the angle between I and j? So you can see it is 90 degree, 90. Now the n cap, remember n cap. And what is the n cap? So the n cap we'll find here using the right hand thumb rule. This is the I and j. We have to put our forefinger along the I x-axis and you have to go toward the y axis. So this n cap, it is in upward direction. You can see it is an upward direction, and this upward direction represented by the k. This k is actually, my dear students, not in this direction. It is making 90 degree with the x-axis and y-axis, and it is moving in upward direction. This is the three-dimensional picture you have to realize. All right, so this will be the in this direction k cap. We can write here the k cap. Again, let me tell you, if this is I and we have to move it along j, the first vector is I and the second vector is j. So put your forefinger along x-axis, that is the I, and then we curl towards the j. Then the n cap will be obtained along the perpendicular of this plane, and it is k cap. All right, here 1 into 1 and sine 90 become again 1, so it is k cap. It is quite clear. I cross j will be k, my dear student. What will be the j cross I? We know that a cross b equals to minus b cross a. It means I cross j, sorry, here. I'm really very sorry. I and j. Okay. If I cross j is k cap, then j cross I, what will be the j cross I? So the j cross I will be minus k cap. You can find out, my dear students, here. The unit vector j will give you the magnitude 1, again magnitude 1, and the angle between these two will be the sine 90 degree. So the sine 90, it is entire 1. Now the n cap will be moving from j to I. Put your forefinger along this axis j and fold towards the I, then you can see it is moving downward. If in upward direction it is k cap, then downward is a minus k cap. So here I cross j, it is k, and j cross I, it is minus k. You are having the number of combination, my dear student, at least 6 combinations you need to remember, and which is very difficult. While you are solving an equation, it is very difficult to remember, yes, what is the value of I cross j, whether it is k or minus k, might be you confused. So there are a number of methods to find this cross product that we will study today. All right, but here let we do some exercise also, and this we should remember this. What will be the j cross k? Okay, j cross k. Try to find my distance. J cross k. Here the magnitude of j will be 1, k will be 1, and the sine of angle 90 degree. All right, here a j cross and the unit vector. Let me find out the unit vector, that is the n cap. Here the j, put your forefinger along the j and fold towards the k. It is perpendicular upward direction, so it will be the like this way, and the forefinger, the thumb will move towards this one, which is I cap. All right, so it will be I cap. So the answer it is altogether I cap. That is j cross k, it is I cap. And k cross j, it will be what? So minus I cap. You can verify. All right. Now, what is the cross product of k cross I? K cross I. Yes. Again, you're having the opportunity to do the practice. What will be the value of k cross I? Try to find out. So k cross I, it is a magnitude 1 times sine of 90 degree. All right. Now, the unit vector, that is the n cap. K cross I, you have to put your forefinger along k, and k, it is in upward direction. Okay, it is in upward direction. So let me put this k in like this way, but we have to fold in which direction? I. So you cannot fold in this way. All right, so you have to put your forefinger like this way. All right, so k upward and I in this direction. So this, you can see this j direction represented here, that we are getting the j direction by this this thumb, and here will be the j cap. All right, so it is altogether j cap. That's the k cross I, it is j. So the I cross k, it will be minus j. So you are having the component of all the unit vectors now here. My dear students, you can see this is not very easy to remember. All right, so we are going to apply here a method. It is mentioned in the book, and that is the circle method. You can find out the value of I cross j, k cross j, etc., etc. It is mentioned in the book. All right, but our final aim is to be jump over the mathematical way to find this cross product, and that will be the determinant method. Okay, let me wrap this one. And what is the circular method or the circle method to find this cross product? Since it is given in the book, that's why I'm telling you. Otherwise, I'm not very much interested in this method. I don't like this one. Here, suppose this is the circle. You have to mention I, j, and k. Okay, I, j, and k. All right. If you are moving in the same direction in which this have been written, I, j, and k. If you are moving in the same fashion, it is written I, j, and k. Then the result will be positive. Okay. If you are moving in this direction from I to j, j to k, k to I, then the result will be positive. Remember, this direction will be give you the result positive. And if you are moving opposite to the written fashion, then it will be, the result will be negative. Now, if you will form this circle, then find out I cross j. Here, I cross j, you are moving in this way, I cross j. So I cross j. If you multiply this 2, the rest will be the answer, and rest is k. But whether this k will be positive or negative, so we are moving in this direction, and k we are getting the next one, so this k will be the answer, but positive k. So the I cross j, it is k. Okay, but j cross I, the next will be the k, and k we are moving in this way, so it will be the negative. All right, so in this way we used to find the value of cross product. You can verify your answer from here also. All right, okay, let me give you another one. K cross j, what will be the answer? So you can see here the k and j. So the k cross j, remember, you cannot move k cross j like this one, because you got a vector in between these two. So you have to find the two vector adjacent. K cross j, you have to move in this way. K cross j, you are moving in opposite direction, so the result will be negative, and which is the next one? Minus I cap. This is the answer. K cross J, it is the minus I. You can verify it from here. K cross J, it is minus I. Alright. Now, my dear student, this is the one method. Let we do some question and then we will move for the next method, which is the determinant method. Okay, you can solve one question. I have given here the two vector A, it was I plus J plus K. The vector B, it is I minus J plus K. Yes, try to find out A cross B, my dear student. A cross B. Try to find out this A cross B. Hurry up, my dear students. Pause your video and try to solve. Okay, let me solve this one. We are having the method of circle, which is one method, but for me, the simplicity, the method, it is my right hand rule. That is the perfect one. Okay, I will try to find out this right hand thumb rule. That is the perfect method for me, my dear student. Here, A, that is cross B, I plus J plus K cross I minus J plus K. Now you can see the number of pair going to be formed. Here the I cross I, it will be the 0, minus I cross J, so the minus, and I cross J, you can see I cross J, it is K, so the K cap. Now I cross K, and the I cross K, it is minus J. Now J cross I, here the J cross I minus K. J cross J will be 0, J cross K, here the J cross K, it is plus I. Now J cross K, okay, we got K cross I, here the K cross I, we are getting my plus J. K cross minus J, it is a minus K cross J, so the K and cross J, it is the minus I, and already we are having the minus, so the plus I. K cross K will be 0. Now add the K, I and J all together. Here J and J will be cancel out. You can see now here the I and I, 2I minus 2J, and this is the answer. Okay, if someone asks to find the mod of A cross B here, okay, mod of A cross B, then how will find the answer? Mod of A cross B, mod of A cross B. So already you are having the vector here, and you know to find the magnitude of this one. So the 2 square plus minus 2 square, all right, and it is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. You can find the answer. How to find the magnitude. My dear students, if someone asks the direction of, all right, the direction of A cross B, what will be the direction of A cross B with the x-axis, then you can find out the answer all here again. It will be the 45 degree. All right. So this one is the first method to find the cross product. Now the second method we are going to study here, and that method is called determinant method. All right, my dear students, here the determinant method. This one is a very important method, determinant method. All right, here the determinant method. Okay, here to find the answers to make the cross product of two vector using determinant method, first we will try to study the determinant, how to solve a determinant. In mathematics, you will study in very detail about the determinant. There are the different types of determinant of the different member, the 2 into 2 and 3 into 3, but how this determinant looks like, try to understand here. This is the operator, all right, and in this operator the members are put like A, B, okay, X, Y. This is the determinant. What will be the solution of this determinant? Try to understand. Okay, how we'll find the answer of this determinant, the solution of this determinant. The answer of this determinant, 2 into 2, this is the 2 into 2 determinant. All right, this is called column. So you are having the 2 columns, and this is called rows. So you're having 2 rows. That's why we have written here the 2 into 2. Okay, 2 column, 2 rows. And the answer of this determinant will be, you have to find the cross product of this one, then minus cross product of this one, and this is the answer. All right, my dear student. So let me find the answer. Here, AY, the answer we are writing here, AY minus, okay, after multiplying this one you have to put the minus, right, minus here now XB, and this is the answer. It's very simple. Okay, from where you got this determinant, this is the very important. Okay, now let me explain you another determinant of the 3 into 3 member. This determinant, you can find the answer of determinant 2 into 2 only. If you are having the determinant of member 3 into 3, then you will have to first convert that 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, and then you will find the answer in this way. All right, so here you can see A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. Now you are having determinant in this form. Okay, my dear friend. Now try to understand what will be the answer, how you'll find the answer. Before solving this determinant, we imply the nature to the determinant. Okay, if you are having directly this determinant and you have to solve, then you no need to imply the nature. But here for the conversion from 3 into 3 to the 2 into 2, you need to imply the nature. And how the nature should be given? Nature, it means positive and negative. You must start giving the nature from the first member, and it is plus. Okay, and remember this nature I'm giving you, it is invisible. Here the plus, minus, plus, alternatively you have to give the plus and minus. Plus, minus, plus, plus, sorry, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. All right, you have given the nature in this way. Again, I'm telling you, you have to put the nature plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. All right, from this way. All right, in this way. Now you are going to split this determinant into 2 into 2, because you can solve only the 2 into 2. How you have to split? You have to pick the, look at here carefully, you have to pick the first member. You can pick any column or any row to convert this into 2 into 2. Okay, if I pick this plus A, all right, plus A, then the entire will be converted into 2 into 2. If I pick this plus A, then row and column will be disappear. A column, it is this one. Okay, this will be disappear, and row will be disappear. So you got this member, this 2 will be disappear. So you are having Q, R, Y, Z. Remember, you have to put here the nature only to split this one. While feeding the values, remember, after this row and column disappear, you have to feed the value but without nature. You will not write the nature. Remember, nature only we use to give for splitting. Here, the members remain in this short determinant. It will be Q, R, Y, Z. Q, R, Y, Z. Okay, this is the concept. Remember, if you are having already here the nature with the number, because this red natures we have given, okay, to split this determinant. But in question, if this R having already some nature, minus or plus, then you will write over here. If it is already minus or plus, then you will write here. Remember, in fact, my dear students, try to remember this one. You have to give the nature only those member for which you are going to split this determinant. Remember, you have to pick only one row or one column, and then this determinant will be converted into 2 into 2. Here I am going to pick A, B and C. Okay, you can pick this A, P and X also. All right, you can pick this one, you can pick this one, any row or any column. And to split this determinant, you have to put the nature. So if you wish to pick this row, then don't give the nature to this one. All right, don't give the nature, only give the nature to this 3. Okay, now you can see it was Q, R, Y, Z. In question, if it is already R, then already minus R, then you will write the minus. Remember, you have to give the nature only 3 member for which you are going to split the determinant. Remember, if it is minus R and you are giving the nature, then you will say, sir, we are providing here the nature and we have to give here the minus nature. So this will be the minus already. So the minus is plus. No, my dear students, you are not supposed to give the nature to the other member. You have to give only the nature with which you are going to split this determinant. You are going to split this determinant using this 3 member, and this 3 member are sufficient to split this determinant. Next one is the minus B. Here minus B. All right, minus B. Then what will be the rest member? Minus B. This will be disappear. And this will be also disappear. Then you will have the P, R, X, Z. P, R, X, Z. Next, plus C. The determinant will be here. This will be the disappear. And this will be also disappear. So you are having the P, Q, X, Y. P, Q, X, Y. All right, my dear students. Now, let me find the answer. Here, A. All right, the cross multiplication in the same way you have done here. Cross multiplication QZ minus YR, all right, minus B PZ minus XR plus C PY minus Q X. This is the answer. All right, so in this way you can split a determinant. My dear students, here I'm not going to teach you to find the cross product using this determinant in this lecture. We will start in next lecture, but here I'm going to give you some questions for your practice. All right, so I hope that you understand how to split this determinant. All right, if you want to split this determinant using this member, then you can split. The answer remains same. There is no change, but you will give the nature to this 3 only. For example, plus, minus, plus. You have to give the plus, then minus, and this will be the plus. And then you will not give the nature to this 2 and this 6. All right, I hope you understand. Here, one example I'm going to give you. You will tell me the answer. Your homework. The first homework, my dear student, solve this determinant. 2, 3 minus 1 and 1. Okay, the second one, 1, 2 minus 2, 3. Third one, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Alright, what will be the answer of this determinant? And the fourth one, 0, 1, 1, minus 2, 2, 1, 1, minus 1, 2. Okay, so what will be the answer of these four questions? You have to remember, here might be my board is signing, here I have been written -1. Okay, my dear students, here I have written -1. I'm telling you -1 again. All right, let me tell you the member of this determinant since my board is signing. Here this is 0, 1, 1. The second row -2, 2, 1. Third row 1, -1 and 2. All right, so you have to find the answer of this four question. Okay, in next class we will do some more question and then we will study how to find the cross product in very easy way using this determinant concept. Okay, my dear student, so this is all about the today's lecture. Thank you very much.